6 women, 1 historic mission, and 1 woman in the spotlight like never before. On April 14th, 2025, Lauren Sanchez made headlines as the world watched Blue Origin's NS-31 mission soar past the Kármán line with the first all-female space crew. Katy Perry, Gayle King, Aisha Bowe, Amanda Nguyen, Carrie Ann Flynn, and at the heart of it all, Lauren Sanchez, journalist, pilot, and the partner of Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. But while the mission was about progress and empowerment, something else stole the spotlight. Lauren's stunning transformation. As she stepped out in her flight suit, her radiant face and sculpted body sparked a wildfire of commentary online. From admiration to speculation, everyone had one question. What has Lauren Sanchez had done? In this video, we're breaking it all down. From facial tweaks to full body curves, we're diving into the likely cosmetic procedures behind Lauren's iconic look. And more importantly, we're going to talk about how you can tap into that same confidence, whether you're going for subtle glow-ups or bold transformations. So buckle up, because we're not just going to space, we're going under the skin. Part 1. Who is Lauren Sanchez? Before she became the most talked about woman in the cosmos, Lauren Sanchez had already built a career worth orbiting. A licensed helicopter pilot and Emmy Award-winning journalist, Lauren wasn't new to the camera, but her public persona evolved dramatically after becoming romantically linked to Jeff Bezos. Suddenly, the world wasn't just watching her fly helicopters, they were watching her face change, her body evolve, and her presence take on a new glow. Her involvement with Blue Origin made her a powerful symbol of female empowerment, and yet it also brought attention to something more physical, her transformation. Was it her confidence, her styling, or something more? But this isn't about judgment, it's about curiosity. In a world where cosmetic enhancements are more accessible than ever, Lauren Sanchez stands as a case study in high-end transformations. Was it all surgery, or are we just looking at great genes, good lighting, and even better skincare? Let's find out. Part 2. Her face. What changed? When it comes to facial enhancements, Lauren Sanchez is a masterclass in refinement. Her features have evolved gradually but noticeably, prompting countless comparisons between red carpet appearances from the early 2000s to now. Let's start from the top. 1. Forehead and brows. Botox plus brow lift? Lauren's forehead appears incredibly smooth and even under HD cameras. While that could be attributed to good skin, it's more likely a result of regular Botox. Her brows also sit higher and more arched than in earlier photos, suggesting a subtle surgical brow lift or strategic Botox placement that simulates a fox eye lift. 2. Eyes, blepharoplasty plus skin. Tightening her eye area looks more open and youthful. In past photos, she had slightly heavier lids. Now, her upper eyelids are lifted, and the skin under her eyes is smooth with minimal creasing. This points to a likely upper blepharoplasty, eyelid surgery, and possible use of Morpheus 8 or laser resurfacing to tighten under-eye skin. 3. Cheeks. Filler or fat grafting. One of the most noticeable changes is in the mid-face. Lauren's cheeks are higher and more defined, even as she ages, which isn't typical without cosmetic help. This could be the result of cheek fillers like Voluma or fat grafting from her own body. Nose. Rhinoplasty, subtle but effective. Her nose appears more refined and narrow in recent photos. While not drastically different, there's a sleeker profile, especially in side views. A subtle rhinoplasty could explain the refined bridge and tip. 5. Lips. Filler for volume. Lauren's lips have gradually gained volume, especially the upper lip, which previously was thinner. This suggests use of a hyaluronic acid-based filler like Juvederm or Restylane for that plump yet polished look. 6. Jawline and chin. Filler or implants. Lauren's jawline is sharp and well-defined, even under harsh lighting. This could be from jawline filler, like Radiesse, or even a chin implant that balances her facial proportions. The result? A confident, powerful look that photographs beautifully. 7. Skin. Laser resurfacing, microneedling, and PRP. Her skin glows with a polished, glassy texture. That usually doesn't come from skincare alone. Procedures like fractional CO2 laser, RF microneedling, Morpheus 8, and PRP, platelet-rich plasma. Treatments can boost collagen and improve texture. The overall effect? Lauren's face doesn't scream plastic surgery. Instead, it whispers luxury, refinement, and intention. The enhancements are likely spaced out over time and customized to maintain harmony with her features. Coming up next, her body transformation and what it takes to maintain those curves in and out of gravity. Part 3. Her body, a curated silhouette. When Lauren stepped out in her custom-fitted Blue Origin spacesuit, the internet collectively gasped. Her hourglass figure was front and center, commanding attention even among 5 other powerful women. But was it just squats and green juice? Probably not. Let's analyze the possibilities. 1. Breast Breast augmentation. Lauren's cleavage has become a major talking point, especially in recent years. Her bust appears significantly fuller and rounder compared to older photos. While some speculated it could be push-up bras, the fullness remains consistent, even in form-fitting dresses and athletic wear. This suggests a likely breast augmentation, possibly with silicone implants placed under the muscle for a more natural slope. 2. Liposuction plus body contouring, or AirSculpt. Lauren's waist-to-hip ratio is dramatic. Flat abdomen, cinched waist, and flared hips. While intense workouts can help, this level of contouring hints at high-definition liposuction, or newer technologies like AirSculpt, which remove fat with minimal downtime and sculpt curves with precision. 3. Buttocks. BBL or Sculptra? While not exaggerated like some Instagram famous figures, Lauren's curves are unmistakably present. A mini Brazilian butt lift, BBL, or strategic Sculptra injections could explain the subtle lift and projection without looking overdone. 4. Toned arms and legs, radio frequency or AirSculpt Neo. Lauren's arms and legs are lean but sculpted, which could be a result of strength training but also enhanced with treatments like AirSculpt Neo or radio frequency skin tightening. These stimulate muscle tone while reducing fat and tightening skin. 5. Skin texture and tone. Just like her face, Lauren's body skin looks firm and luminous. Treatments like laser resurfacing, lymphatic drainage massage, and LED light therapy likely play a big role. Combine that with hydration, nutrition, and high-end skincare, you've got red carpet ready skin from head to toe. The look of wealth. Lauren's transformation isn't about looking young, it's about looking polished. She embodies the quiet luxury aesthetic, understated but refined, not too flashy but impossible to ignore. Her body reflects a level of maintenance and investment that speaks to wealth, access, and discipline. Part 4. How to get Lauren-level confidence. So what if you want that kind of confidence? The head-turning glow, the unapologetic curves, the sense of control over your own image. Here's the truth. It's not just about procedures, it's about mindset, consistency, and access to the right information. Here's your roadmap. Step 1. Confidence comes first. Before you book anything, know this. Confidence can't be injected. What Lauren Sanchez exudes is more than filler or implants. It's years of building a personal brand, taking risks, stepping into leadership roles, and aligning with powerful partners. Ask yourself, what makes you feel most powerful? Is it a bold lipstick, a strong body, or a new skill? Start there. Step 2. Start with skin. You don't need a Hollywood budget to upgrade your skin. Start with a basic but effective routine. Cleanser, retinol, vitamin C, SPF, moisturizer. Then add treatments like microneedling, chemical peels, or laser facials as your budget allows. Medical facials like Hydrofacial or Morpheus 8 can deliver visible results quickly and safely. If Lauren's skin is the goal, aim for treatments that boost collagen and smooth texture over time. Step 3. Sculpt with strategy. Not everyone needs a BBL or breast implants, but body confidence comes from feeling sculpted. Whether that's gym-based strength training, Pilates, or treatments like cool sculpting, choose your tools. Want fast results? AirSculpt, Neo, Sculptra, and radiofrequency skin tightening are high-tech options that don't require surgery. But remember, even non-invasive treatments work best when paired with good nutrition and hydration. Step 4. Embrace subtle enhancements. Lauren's aesthetic is proof that subtle tweaks can make a massive impact. If you're considering injectables, start small. A bit of Botox in the forehead, a touch of filler in the lips or cheeks. Look for providers who specialize in natural results. Bring reference photos, ask questions, and always go for balance over drama. Step 5. Own your narrative. Whether you're stepping into a boardroom or boarding a space shuttle, confidence comes from owning your journey. Lauren didn't wait for permission to become who she is. Neither should you. Take that Pilates class. Launch that business. Show up to your life like it's a red carpet, because it is. The bottom line? Lauren Sanchez's transformation is part aesthetic, part strategy, and part power move. You don't need to mimic her procedures. You just need to find what gives you that same sense of control, beauty, and command. Because whether it's a filler appointment or a flight to space, confidence will always be your best look. If this deep dive inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more celebrity transformations, science-backed beauty breakdowns, and confidence content that's out of this world. Drop a comment below. Which part of Lauren Sanchez's glow up impressed you the most? Would you go to space with that glam squad? Until next time, stay confident, stay curious, and keep shining.